Karachi is burning. Repeat, Karachi is burning.
When we talk about military power, most I turn to the armies and air force, but war are often decided on water. For Pakistan and China, the Indian Navy has always been their greatest nightmare. From Goa in 1961 to Karachi in 1971, the India's Navy has rewritten the map of South Asia, and even today, it holds the power to choke its enemy in days. In December 1961, Operation Vijay was launched to liberate Goa from Portuguese control. The Indian Navy quickly blockaded the port of Mormugao and Diu with supply line cut and warship trapped. Portuguese have no escape. Goa was liberated in just 36 hours. This was the Navy's first decisive victory, proving it could seal off an enemy's water and dictate the outcome of war. 10 years later, the Indian Navy struck again, this time against Pakistan in 1971 war. On December 4th, Operation Trident, Indian missile boats sailed into the Arabian Sea and attacked Pakistani Karachi harbour at night. Three Pakistani ships
We've
were
lost
destroyed,
Karachi.
fuel depot exploded,
Mother
and
of
Karachi
lion.
burnt for days. Pakistan was stunned. Just days later comes Operation Python, another night raid that devastated Karachi again. The Pakistani Navy never recovered. By blocking Karachi, India not only shatters Pakistan's fleet but also crippled its economy. Within 2 weeks, Pakistan surrendered and Bangladesh was born. And once again, the Indian Navy has turned the tide of history. Pakistan's biggest weakness is geography. Its entire economy depends on two ports, Karachi and Gwadar. In war, the Indian Navy can destroy them in hours. A repeat of 1971 war would mean fuel shortage, no import, and a total economic collapse. For Pakistan, the sight of Indian warships off its coast is nothing less than a nightmare. China may have the world's largest navy, but it has one fatal weakness. Its lifeline runs through the Indian Ocean. More than 80% of China's oil passes through the Malacca Strait, a choke point that Indian Navy can easily block. With aircraft carrier, nuclear submarine, and supersonic BrahMos missiles, India can cut China's trade artery in days. For Beijing, far away from its home waters, the Indian Ocean is not a playground, it's a trap controlled by India. History proves it. In 1961, the Navy liberated territory. In 1971, it broke Pakistan in half, and today, with carrier, submarine, and advanced missiles, the Indian Navy is stronger than ever. For Pakistan, it means an instant blockade. For China, it means a cutthroat at Malacca, and for India, it means the command of sea. This is why Indian Navy is ultimate nightfall for its enemy.